Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer Ethereum from Coinbase to your Coinbase wallet. Let's start with the basics. Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy, sell, and hold Ethereum. Coinbase Wallet, on the other hand, is a separate mobile app that gives you full control of your crypto, including access to your private keys. Moving Ethereum from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet is a smart step if you want extra security or plan to use your Ethereum with decentralized apps. Now, let's walk through the process. First, make sure you have both the Coinbase app and the Coinbase Wallet app installed on your phone. Open the Coinbase app and sign in with your account details. Once you're on the home screen, scroll through your assets until you see Ethereum, then tap on it. This will open your Ethereum balance inside Coinbase. Next, look for the Send or Transfer option. It may appear as an arrow or simply as a Send button depending on your version. Tap on it and then select the option that says Transfer to Coinbase Wallet. If it's your first time, the app may ask you to connect your wallet, so just follow the quick instructions to link it. Once connected, enter the amount of Ethereum you'd like to send. You can transfer your whole balance or just a portion. Double-check the amount, and remember there's usually a small Ethereum network fee that will be included in the transaction. Tap Preview to see the transaction details such as the amount, the destination, and the fee. If everything looks correct, tap Send Now. You may be asked to verify the transaction with a code if you have two-step verification enabled. Once you confirm, the transfer will begin. It may take a few minutes to complete depending on the network traffic, and once it's done, you'll see your Ethereum inside your Coinbase Wallet app. And that's it. You've successfully moved your Ethereum from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.